From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
Those widely scattered rain showers coming to an end, but staying mostly cloudy as we head through the overnight and early morning hours of our Wednesday, getting down to the upper 50s and the lower 60s as the drier low-level air mass filters in behind this cold front on those northeasterly winds you see, 5 to 10 miles per hour, but clouds clear out as we head through the morning and midday hours of our Wednesday, turning out to be a decent Wednesday afternoon with partly sunny to mostly sunny skies and daytime highs generally in the upper 70s and the lower 80s. Not bad for the first half of September across the Tennessee Valley. Showers ending here over the next couple of hours, staying mostly cloudy as we head through the overnight. Morning lows in the upper 50s, lower 60s with a northerly wind of about 5 to 10. As we head through the day, those clouds start to burn off through the morning and the midday. That gets us into the upper 70s and the lower 80s, still with that northerly wind of about 5 to 10 miles per hour, maybe gusting as high as 15 into the afternoon. A few folks in North Alabama could briefly get closer to 83, 84 degrees, falling back into the 70s towards sunset, 60s in the evening, and then as low as the mid to upper 50s for morning lows by daybreak on Thursday as clouds start to clear out across the areas, drier air filters in. That will be the case for Thursday and mostly on Friday, although clouds start to increase by the afternoon, and we might have a stray sprinkle or a shower Friday, but I have the chance of rain for Friday only at 10%. So you know the deal, at only 10%. We don't show it on the 7-day because it's such a minute chance. But don't be surprised at a stray sprinkle. Better chances of isolated to scattered showers and maybe a few rumbles of thunder Saturday into Sunday as the next cold front approaches the area. Won't be too much cooler behind that front, excuse me, but it will enforce the drier air mass across the area for next week. Mid to upper 70s, if not lower 80s in a few spots here for Wednesday through Friday. I think North Alabama for tomorrow is in the lower 80s, where southern middle Tennessee is in the upper 70s, and a few degrees cooler for Thursday for everyone. And then we start to moderate again Friday into the weekend, back into the lower 80s over the weekend. Notice those morning lows, Thursday morning, Friday morning, down into the mid to upper 50s. It's going to feel refreshing out there, and no big signs of heat for at least the next 7 to 14 days. Your first cup forecast is grab that first cup of coffee in the morning on the way out the door, starting in the upper 50s to lower 60s, beginning mostly cloudy, but we become mostly sunny as we head to the late morning and the afternoon. Here's clouds clear out across the area. Daytime highs again in the upper 70s and lower 80s, mid to upper 70s to maybe near 80 in spots for Thursday. And then we start to warm a little bit Friday into the weekend, back into the lower 80s. A few showers and thunderstorms possible over the weekend ahead of the front that reinforces drier air as we head into the first part of next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rossins in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another check of your local forecast.